Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a quick demo how to use a user grid explorer with reset configuration. First, we are logged in as a standard user. As you can see, these are the current GridMate user grids. Switch to an admin user. On the search box, search for custom settings. Click Manage on the data grid settings. Make sure that User Grid Explorer is enabled. Next, on the search box, search for the sharing settings. Scroll down. Make sure also that the default internal access is private. Go back to the user grids. Let's select this opportunity grid. Let's apply some configuration. For example, filter by stage. Click Apply. We can also do some column editing if needed. Sort by created date. Click Apply. And grouping by stage. Click Apply. Now the grid has some configuration. Let's now share this grid with a user with access level read only. Navigate to the users and switch to the standard user with who the grid has been shared. Go to User Grids. Now the opportunity grid is visible. The opportunity grid includes all the configurations we've applied. We can edit our configuration. Switch to the admin user. Go back to the user grids. Go to the opportunity grid. Admin filters remain unaffected by changes made by other users. Switch to the standard user. Go to the opportunity grid. Click on the Reset button. The button initializes the configuration. Thank you for watching.